In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily take live photos on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Camera app. And then guys, basically all you have to do in order to take a live photo is make sure that live photo mode turned on. That is live photo mode icon, and now when it is not crossed with the line, it means that live mode is currently turned on. To turn off live mode, tap on it once, it says live off, and if the icon looks like that, we need to tap on it to turn the live on. After that, we can just point our camera at some object and then tap at that button to take a picture. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.